I'm Rebecca McGrain. Welcome to linkstdc.com WordPress Introduction. In this fast-paced tutorial, we are going to walk through what a basic installation of WordPress looks like on a self-hosted domain, how to activate Akismet, which is a spam blocker that just works really well, how to add, edit, and manage posts, how to add, edit, and manage pages, the core difference between posts and pages, how to add, edit, and manage categories, and how to add, edit, and manage media. For those that don't know, media is just your pictures, videos, and audio files. And lastly, how to change the look and feel of your self-hosted WordPress blog. So let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, I'm at my Links Technology Development WordPress blog homepage. And so what I'm going to do is I want to administer changes. I'm going to make some things different on this blog. So I'm going to open up what I like to call a working tab. It's just another tab. And then in my address bar, I'm going to paste the name of my blog again, and then I'm going to type the letters WP, a hyphen, and then ADMIN, and strike my enter key. So that's going to take me to my login page for the administrator side of my WordPress blog, where I'm going to type in my username and my password, and again, strike my enter key, or you could click where it says login on that button. Now here I'm at my main dashboard for my WordPress blog. In your dashboard, you have your plugins, you have your other WordPress news, you have some information from the development blog. You can see if anybody's linked to you from their blog. And if you wanted to quickly put a quick post up, you could do so with this quick press. And then when you log in, under your dashboard icon here on the left-hand side where it says Updates, you can always take a look to see if you have any updates that are available. And for most of your standard self-hosted WordPress blogs, you will be responsible for doing this yourself, okay? But that's where you would do it. You do want to check this from time to time. If you had any plugins that were installed, because we're talking about updates right now, you would also see down here where I'm hovering on the left-hand side right next to plugins, you would see a number here. It's normally like in a reddish orangey color, a circle around it. And it would tell you how many WordPress plugins you had that needed to be updated. So let's go back to the dashboard. And you can tell I have one post, one page, one category, no tags. I have one comment, and it's been approved. I don't have any pending comments, and I don't have any spam comments. And because I don't like spam, I'm going to go all the way down here to where it says plugins and where it says installed. And I'm going to activate my Akismet. This is that spam blocker that just works really well. So I'm going to go ahead and click where it says activate. It says I must enter my WordPress.com API key in order for this to work. I click on that hyphen, or on that link. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to right click, open link in a new tab, Akismet.com, because I don't have an Akismet key for this domain. So I'm going to type in the email address. Where I want to receive my key. Because I've done this before recently, I know what the terms of service are. However, I would recommend that if you've not read them, that you go ahead and click on it and you read it. Essentially, you're not allowed to do anything illegal, and if you're deriving revenue from your blog, if you're a big business blog, not like $5 or $6, but if you're really using your blog to make money, then there's a different key you have to get from them where you pay a little license fee or something. So that's the gist of that. We should really support Akismet even if you're not making a lot of money off of your blog, just because it's such a great tool. And here's where if you click on commercial use at the Akismet site, you can obviously get all the details for the commercial use. So I'm going to go ahead and click next because that's all I needed to do there. And it says that they sent me a confirmation message. So I'm going to check my mail at RebeccaMcGrain.com, which is the email address that I used. Thanks TDC. And we do use Gmail to manage our email accounts. So activate, here it is. Howdy, thank you for signing up for Akismet. Activate, domain link, and I'm going to set my own password just in case I ever need to get back in here, because I won't remember their password. And there's my key. Double left click on it, and then Control C to copy it. Go back into my WordPress install. Enter that key. Automatically discard spam comments on posts older than a month. And click Update Options. And that's it. Now I am protected against spam. So let's go ahead and take a look at a post. It's very easy. If you click on the post, you have your edit, add new, your categories. Here's my hello world. And if I wanted to edit that, I can click on the title, make my changes. Hello universe, because we're going to be, out there. And I would just click my update button. Notice that I can change some things. I can make them private where only I can see. I can give it a password where everybody has to put in a password. I can make it published. I can make it pending review or a draft. And I can also publish it in the past or even in the future. This update will change to schedule if I choose a future date. If I wanted to add a new post, I could do the same thing. Okay, so now I have my little post made, but I only have an uncategorized category. So I'm going to add a new category from within my post. I'm going to call it Stuff. I'm going to uncheck the uncategorized because I want this to be in Stuff. Click my Publish button. There we have that. Now, if I wanted to make a bunch of categories at one time, I could click on Categories, which is underneath Post. And I could give it the new name. I want it to be a child category, so I made Blue Stuff. I'm going to put it under Stuff. Add my category. And now it shows up here with a little indent underneath Stuff. Do the same thing with the red stuff. And we'll make a stars or groovy category. And that is not going to have a parent category. That's going to be a parent standalone category. Click my Add Category. So now, anytime that I'm in a post, whether I'm editing or adding a new one, and remember you can click the title or you can click where it says Edit. Now those categories show up as well. So let's go on and take a look at the pages. A page is a little bit different. Because with the page, same functionality, click on the title or click where it says Edit. Same general ways that you do it. You just run through and make your changes there. Or you can add a new. As we like it. Things we like to use. And same general thing, you can publish it. You can give it a future date. You can put it under a different page so where there's no categories. There are attributes, so I could make it a child page of the About page and set my orders. So then what's the difference between a post and a page? The easiest, most core difference here is that a post is for continued dialogue or monologue, however you use your blog, but it's a continued source of information that changes and grows, grouped together by topic. A page is a destination.